Hey everyone, Kyle here. In today's video, I am going to show you how to pay your personal taxes online using the CRA or Canada Revenue Agency website. It's quick, easy, and can be done from the comfort of your own home. So now let's get started. First, you need to open up your browser and go into this website. I will be providing the link in the description down below. This will take you directly to the CRA Secure Payment Portal. And once you are here, you will now scroll down until you see the Pay Now button, which is this one right here. Go ahead and click that to start the payment process. And then from here, you will be selecting the type of payment. So under the individual section, click on Individual Income Tax T1. And then from here, you want to choose the tax year. So now you'll need to select the appropriate tax year that you are paying for. So it will be this one right here. And then the next step would be to enter your details. The system will ask for your social security number and the amount you need to pay. You can find the exact amount on the notice of assessment or by logging into your CRA account. Carefully enter this information and click next. And now the next step is to double check your information. You'll be asked to review your details. Make sure your SIN, the tax year, and the payment amount are all correct. Once you've double checked, select the small circle to confirm the information, then hit confirm and proceed to pay. And then after that is the payment stage. You would need to complete your payment. So as of now, these are the payment methods available to me. In your case, it might be different. So just work with what you have right there. And then after you have paid for it, and then that's it. You have now successfully paid for your personal tax through the CRA website. And that is basically it for this video. Thank you for watching.